Hi everyone, so today we are doing the what is a LLM model and how the transformers will be helped to create our one language model. Okay, so basically LLM is a machine learning model that trained on the vast amount of text data to understand, generate or manipulate the human language. So let's see how we need to create our one LLM model using the collab. Okay, so first of all I'm installing the library of transformers. So I done the pip, and second step is we need to import some libraries from the transformers. So I'm importing the AutoTokenizer, and I'm importing the AutoModelForCausalLM. So this is one of the two libraries that we are using here, and this took AutoTokenizer and the Auto for Casual LM are classes from the library that handle the tokenization and model loading. Okay, so this is two libraries I imported classes. Now second step is we need to train a model. So we are using the AutoTokenizer to load GPT to tokenizer. So tokenizer, so this is how we are using AutoTokenizer from pre-trained model. So my model name is GPT-2. I'm taking here. So I'm using here GPT-2. So GPT-2, and here for the model I'm using here the GPT-2 same. So we are using this one. Okay, so the that load the GPT-2 tokenizer, which is responsible for converting the text into token, and that model can understand. So loads and load the pre-trained GPT-2 model, and which is a casual language and model designed to generate a text. Okay, so this is done. After that we need to create the prompt. Okay, so how we need to ask the prompt? So for this I'm creating one function here. So function is like generate a text. Okay, and I'm taking the inputs from the user. So inputs equal to let's suppose I'm importing from the tokenizer. So tokenizer is prompt, and return the generate tensor as prompt. So that will be load the that will be is a function that is take the text prompt as a input and generate the continuation of the text using GPT-2 model. Okay, and this will be return the tokenizer input here. So my function is ready. Now simply what we need to do, we need to return the R values. Okay, so how it will be work, like we need to ask a prompt. So like I'm writing the prompt, explain what is AI. So I'm asking from the this model. Okay, so now you can see here it running the model, and it will be show us the result of that one, how the what is a AI. Now you can see here this is my result. AI is a new concept that being explored by many researchers and researchers. It's a new concept because sometimes it will be repeat the task, and it will, because this is the GPT-2 model, so sometimes it's giving the correct answer, sometimes it may be wrong. Okay, so like I question this one.